Hello everyone. Okay, today for our English grammar, let us go with one new topic. It is quite easy topic, but it is somewhere important that we should complete that topic, or we must complete this topic also. Okay, the topic is conditionals. Conditionals, that is condition wise. कंडीशन दैट इज बात करते वक्त भी हम कई कंडीशंस रखते हैं कि लाइक अगर मैं कल स्कूल आया तो मैं टिफ़िन में ये लाऊंगा वो लाऊंगा, यस और नो। और अगर तू कल स्कूल नहीं आएगा तो मैं भी नहीं आऊँगा, राइट। दैट इज इफ यू विल नॉट कम टू स्कूल टुमारो, आई विल ऑल्सो नॉट कम, यस और नो। ओके, तो ये जो कंडीशनल्स हैं, दैट इज कंडीशन रखकर जब हम कई बार बात करते हैं उसको एक अलग ही लेसन का नाम दिया गया है, दैट इज कंडीशनल्स। ओके, इन दिस लेसन वी आर ओनली गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट इफ क्लॉज। ओके, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न, वी आर ओनली गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट इफ क्लॉज, और आई कैन टेल वी आर ओनली गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट if agar, understood, if agar, right? See, I have written few sentences over here. If I go with these sentences, अगर मैं इन sentences के साथ जाऊँ, see the first one, if I see Meena, I will convey your message. Okay, एक condition ही है, अगर मैं मीना को देखूंगी तो मैं आपका मैसेज उसको दे दूंगी। अंडरस्टूड? सी लिसन, इफ आई सी मीना आई विल कन्वे योर मैसेज। अगर मैं मीना को देखूंगी मैं आपका मैसेज दे दूंगी। अंडरस्टूड? सेकंड वन, इफ आई रीड, प्रसून विल राइट टू मी इफ ही गेट्स द जॉब। प्रसून मुझे लिखेगा अगर उसको जॉब मिलेगी। अंडरस्टूड? If we take a flight, it will be very expensive. अगर हम फ्लाइट लेंगे वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होगी। लेंगे यहाँ पर मतलब इफ़ वी टेक फ्लाइट इन द सेंस अगर हम फ्लाइट से जाने का सोचेंगे तो वो एक्सपेंसिव होगा। अंडरस्टूड? ये सब कंडीशनल्स हैं, कंडीशंस हैं। अंडरस्टूड? ओके, लाइक इफ आई हियर फ्रॉम हर आई विल कॉल यू। अगर मैं उससे सुनूंगी मैं आपको कॉल करूंगी। फ्यूचर में गया, राइट। वी विल नॉट गो आउट इफ इट रेन्स हैवीली। हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे अगर बारिश हैवीली हुई। ओके, नाउ मतलब क्या, अगर आप ये all 5 sentences if you go through, all these 5 sentences are related to future tense. Okay, see, हम if clause जो conditions हम रखते हैं, conditions हम past या present के लिए नहीं रख सकते, we can write for future only. Understood? Okay, see, for example, we can also use models can and could etc. Like for example, if I hear from her I can call you. Okay, अगर मैं उससे सुनूंगी तो मैं आपको कॉल कर सकती हूँ। Okay, the point is models भी रख सकते हैं, वो किसमें, second part of sentence में। First part of sentence is holding if. Understood? This is one. Second, what we have to take in our consider that, see, in whichever if comes in beginning of the sentence, that sentence is divided into 2 parts. If I hear from her, comma, I will call you, or if I see Meena, comma, I will convey your message. Yes? Okay? So what I want to say is, if can be used in beginning of the sentence, if can be used in middle of the sentence also. Understood? The point is if you use if in the beginning of the sentence, your sentence will get divided into two parts, that is two clauses will be joining. Okay, if works here as if conjunctions also, conjunctions के तौर पर भी if work करता है. Understood? So if condition show करता है, right, for our future situation. Okay, now this was one. See, I can even use if with present continuous tense as well. For example, if I give you sentence, if we will be playing tomorrow, we will call you. If we will playing tomorrow, अगर हम कल खेल रहे होंगे, हम आपको बुलाएंगे. We will call you. कंडीशन हुआ, अगर खेल रहे होंगे हम आपको बुलाएंगे. Okay, और we will call you if we will be playing tomorrow. Right? So present continuous tense भी है, लेकिन अगर ये पूरा सेंटेंस देखें तो it is not related to present, it is used tomorrow. So मतलब this sentence also goes with the future tense only. Understood? So ये जो छोटी छोटी conditional sentences हैं, see we have to be very careful. I'll in our exercise, say like suppose if I erase the board, just a minute please. If I erase the board and I will give you one sentence, say like suppose for your writing in notebook, I'll be giving you exercise to do, right? So I will just explain you to do those exercise, at least one or two sentences I will do for you, so that you can get good guidelines with that. Okay, like for example, if I give you one sentence, for example, if I give you one sentence that if he does not practice, he dash, in bracket it is not learn the song. See, this is one sentence. If he does not practice, he dash the song. See, अगर वो practice नहीं करेगा, वो song सीख नहीं पाएगा, right? नहीं पाएगा. This sentence gives us future conditionals. ये हमें future के condition के बारे में show करेगा. So what will come here in dash? He will not learn the song. Understood? क्योंकि हम ये नहीं लिख सकते he not learn the song. No. क्योंकि something is missing here. Right? We cannot write he not learn the song because grammatical mistake बोलने में भी पता चल रहा है. So here it will be, see, if he does not practice, right? Does shows us present tense, right? Do, does, okay, present tense, right? But this if condition जो है वो future के लिए ही use होती है, तो here it will be will. He will not learn the lesson, learn the song. Understood? So जो conditional sentences हैं, you have to take care. It is not that you have to convert something, not learn only, but you have to add some helping verb also over there. Okay, like if I give you one more sentence, I won't be able to function, sorry, I won't be able to attend the function you dash, in bracket it is have, if you dash have it this Sunday. So now see, I won't be able to attend the function if you have it this Sunday. See, अगर you have it this Sunday, but Sunday is future tense, right? Have is used for we can tell perfect and all, but here we have to write you will have it this Sunday. Understood? Or we can go on with I won't be able to attend the function if you will be having it. No, here on is not written. Okay, on is not written. It this Sunday is written only. So what will come here? It will be you will have. Understood? Will have. Now read the sentence. I won't be able to attend the function if you will have it this Sunday. Understood? Simple है. यहाँ पर will not learn, वहाँ पर will have. Okay. In the same way, there is one more sentence. I'll just go through it. If they dash play the music loudly, the other residents dash complaints. I will write this as well. If they dash, in bracket it is play the music loudly, the other residents dash complain. Okay, same here because this is linked with the future tense only, right? So here also, if they dash play the music loudly, so what will come? If they will play the music loudly, the other resident will complain. That's it. Understood? Nothing more to change. Simply we have to show future wordings also in this kind of sentences. So I'll be giving you one exercise related to conditional lesson which you have to go through and copy questions with pen and write answers with pencils, please. Okay, it is quite easy topic. Conditional, we discussed only about if in this topic, in this video. Understood? So this thing, similar exercise you will get further for your PDF to do practice in your grammar notebook. Okay everyone, thank you.